from the company Frontline presenting. We are also coming from the same perspective of the same person, which is basically the frontline team member. It could be a frontline team member in a retail outlet, or a call center, or service outlet, right? So what we're going to do is quickly talk 5 case studies and summarize what we have to offer. We all have frontline teams. They are in the hundreds of towns in the country. Now the challenge which the sales manager has, and here we are actually talking from the perspective of a sales manager rather than from a HR manager. So that's where the slight difference between the Frontline's offering and B-Sharp's offering is. How do you train the team to make sure that they get the correct messaging and they're able to talk the right way to the customer? How do you engage them from a motivation perspective? How do you collect market data from them? Because they're all there in the market. How do you share back data with them so that they're able to know where they are standing with respect to their overall sales and performance and things like that? And so they can tune their strategies. And how do you provide them with a set of tools to win with customers? Right? So these are the things which we sort of address through this platform. We believe that an engaged frontline team will lead up to satisfied customers. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 5 case studies from 5 different companies and summarize the entire story. And all these case studies are from the COVID period. The first one is learn every day, make learning a habit. Right? Now more than ever before, even the frontline employee now realizes that they have to learn every day. They have to upgrade their knowledge. The case study we want to take is from the brand Celio. They're, of course, the French garment retailer, right? So during the lockout, the HR head had this concern that how am I going to make sure that all these people are completely engaged? So she introduced this concept called the daily learning hour, right? 700 salespeople, they're all across they're all sitting at their home. They had their mobile, right? What they did was they had a set of managers who are the regional sales managers and assistant sales managers and stuff like that. And they made 3-minute, 5-minute video content. And this video content was actually pumped in through this app, available to the salespeople. They had a specific goal to complete that, right? And there were contests which were done around it and things like that. So this is like nano learning. Every day, maybe about 12 to 15 minutes of learning. And that's about it, right? And this was done through this B-Sharp platform, right? And the results were amazing. 700 people, 90% engagement on a daily basis, more than 6,000 hours over 3 months, of learning which happened. A lot of contests got conducted during the period. And by the time the lockdown was all done with, people were, up to their mark on hygiene, up to their mark on, the new season offering, up to the mark on other, skills and skill development and things like that. So it was a much stronger team to face a very fragile future, right? And that was possible through the platform. Because the platform has got a lot of flexibility. You can quickly make a training by just uploading a video, add some quizzes, put some badges, and make it interesting and things like that. The system also gives you engagement levels, areas of improvement, and much, much more. So it sort of tries to make learning a habit. It's almost like the Apple Watch, right? So can you learn 7 minutes a day? That's what this focus is. And we did that with Celio. The second story is about social learning. It's about competitions, right? So this is from a company, Lenovo. They had, again, during the lockdown, they had this big challenge that only the high-end PCs were available. The low-end PCs were not available. So they had to sell the gaming PCs, which were like, 80,000 rupees and 1 lakh, right? So they basically had to orient the entire team to make sure that they can sell the high-end PCs. So for which they had to finish an online game, ace an assessment. They had to do a video pitch and submit it to their manager, and the manager has to approve it. They had a competition across the country saying whose video pitch is the best by some voting process and things like that. They had to sell some products, and they had to collect video customer testimonials. All this was done through this platform. Company has talent style, right? End of it, these guys won the Gamification Initiative of the Year award in some in some HR event. 93% engagement, and 180 customer testimonials were collected during this, right? So the platform, for an engagement perspective, also enables video coaching and video contests, discussions, leaderboards, and badges and things like that to make sure that the team is engaged with the company to learn every day and engage every day and improve every day. The third part is relating to data, right? The company has to collect data, and today with the world changing all over, right? The company doesn't even know what data to collect, for the next week, because the competitive situation might change, the market situation might change, and things like that. Like, again, how Frontline was talking about, we have a system whereby you can actually create a Google form for sales reports. So you can actually pick up, drag, drop, and create, sales reports, right? And be able to deploy it to the field. The field can report and get that done, right? So this was for government. They said we want to track lost sales because every sale which was lost is very valuable. So 8% of the sales were getting lost because of no inventory, and they wanted to go and backfill the inventory. So quickly we deployed a form, and the salespeople, as soon as there is a person who comes and asks for a specific shirt and it's not available, they go and fill it up, right? Put the code, put the color code, all that stuff, and submit it. And in the back end, you can sort of get all the data and analyze like that, right? So customers use it for various things like sales tracking. Healthcare customers use it for surgery tracking, competition update, customer video testimonials, all kinds of stuff. You can collect data with images, GPS, and all kinds of stuff, right? So the third thing is giving you a lot of agility to collect customer data or field data, which is Report Easy. Another customer came and said, I want to do merchandising tracking. I have 900 stores across the country. These are independent branded stores. These are a durable company, right? I want to get planogram compliance report based on photographs and based on, some forms being filled up. So we could go, and because the system had a complete dashboard system built in, complete BI tool built in, we could go and configure reports for them. So every day the salespeople or somebody who goes to the shop actually sends out the report, and we're able to go and figure out how the planogram compliance happens. And this data was shared across the entire hierarchy. So everybody had a clear analytics view of what is the planogram compliance which was happening there. So first we talked about, learning every day. Second, we talked about improving, engaging every day. Third, we talked about collecting data flexibly. Fourth, we talked about, flexibly seeing the data dashboard. So with all this, the company gets a lot of agility. And the last piece which customers ask for is that, okay, during earlier times, the customers used to walk into the stores, but today I want to leverage upon leads which come to me from Facebook, leads which come to me from Google, and places like that. Could you actually take the lead and pass it on to the right salesperson so that he can follow it up and close it? So based on pin codes, we had a tracking of Facebook directly to shop floor. The lead passes through, right? And you can track the lead, track by program, track by salesperson, set reminders, stuff like that, right? So we set up this process again in light of the COVID requirements. This particular customer passes almost like 10,000 leads a month with about 3% conversion rate. And the most important thing here is that the customer puts in the data there. In 3 minutes, he gets a call back because the salesperson in the relevant town or pin code is alerted. So you're making every dollar sweat, right? So we gave him a set of customer tools so that the salesperson is able to coordinate with the customer and do things better. So these are our 5 value propositions: learn every day, engage every day, report easily, get view of the data easily, dashboards, right? And have customer tools so that you can go and interact with customers. We have about 18,000 customers, got a good set of brands, 18,000 users rather, about 15 customers in about 15 countries. These are the brands which we engage with. And we are a SaaS business. This platform is available on the PC, on the Android and the iPhone. It's a video first, millennial first platform. We're very happy to work with you and pilot it in your organization. make it work. If you don't have a budget or there's a budget constraint at this moment, it's perfectly fine. We're willing to work through the problem and work it out for your next year, right? So we're happy to do a pilot with you. Please get in touch with us in case you think that you need further information. Happy to be talking to you. Again, thanks for the opportunity. I'm looking forward to working with you.